Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your BMW 3 Series. To secure your vehicle, simply press the lock button on your key fob. This action locks all doors, the trunk, and activates the alarm system, providing comprehensive protection. For manual locking from inside, locate and press the central locking button, typically found on the center console or driver's door. Always ensure all windows and the sunroof are completely closed before leaving your car. Your BMW 3 Series offers advanced locking features for added convenience and security. With comfort access, you can lock your car by simply touching the ribbed area on the door handle, provided your key fob is nearby. For enhanced security, consider using the double locking feature, which prevents the doors from being opened from the inside. Always check your vehicle's display or the indicator lights for confirmation that your car is securely locked. If you encounter issues locking your BMW, start by checking your key fob battery. A weak battery is a common culprit for inconsistent locking. Next, verify that all doors, the trunk, and even the hood are completely closed, as an open sensor will prevent locking. If problems persist, your owner's manual is an excellent resource for specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your BMW 3 Series model. Maintaining your BMW's security goes beyond just locking. Always choose well-lit, visible parking spots to deter potential theft. Regularly inspect your door seals and locking mechanisms for any signs of wear or damage, which could compromise your vehicle's integrity. A little proactive maintenance can prevent bigger issues down the road. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.